have supplies, cola, and yeah, some other stuff. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I am just sitting here enjoying the sunset while they are preparing down here for the transfer. And then our observer here, he's just running in a circle around the heli deck. Why? Because he walks out. So he does some workout. Like I'm doing my bicycle, he does his walking around the helicopter every night for like 1 or 2 hours, just in a circle all the time around the helicopter. Okay, so that's the bunkering boat, the gas boat. They're standing by for the towels and the ropes, and we just dropped the boat in the water, so they get the managers and the people from the tanker boat on our boat. And in the background we have a wonderful sunset with the observer walking out on the heli deck. Yeah, it's just another day in the paradise, where I'm usually sitting and enjoying the view right on the top of the boat to have the best position. Right at my back, the helicopter, the sunset, the boat lights. Wow, it's beautiful. Too bad it's on the wrong side of the boat. Alright, so what they're going to do now is they will, with another boat, they're catching the fuel nozzle and the fuel hose, and then they're gonna pull it all the way to us. Okay, so it looks like this guy here, he's standing by with a rope to catch the fuel nozzle, the fuel hose, which is right here in the water, and the observer is still running. Alright, so he's getting ready. Oh, he missed. Now he has to hurry up. Uh-oh, it's passing. And he missed again. No, he has to really hurry up. No, he got it. Now the boat goes in reverse to brake. Getting the towel. Okay, the boat just stopped. It looks heavy. How many Asians you need to pull up a towel? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, not all Asian. There are some Micronesia. Okay, so they put the towels on. Alright, so they got the fuel hose in the back, and now they're going downstairs. Actually, I'm going downstairs and to show you what they're gonna do with the fuel hose. The fuel station right here next to our washer. Now they're just gonna pull it up. Like a big long jelly worm. Wow, how many people are pulling on that thing? Now it's connected and then they are about to fill the boat up. Which is nice. With some fresh gas. We got some supplies from the gas station. And we're getting the boat back. And everyone is happy. Sometimes they have some supplies for the crew as well. Now about to start the fueling, and it will take about 2 hours to fill up the boat, and then once they're finished, just drop the hose in the water, pull it back, and that's it. Pretty simple. And he's going to stay on the boat, the white guy. He's from the other boat, from the tanker, to supervise the fueling. Boom. That's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Thank you for it out. Bye bye. I think he never stops.